Buldozer. I am the dump truck. I am the crane. I am the road roller.
I'm the concrete mixer.
We are the construction fleet. No difficulty can beat us. Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Villa reconstruction. I live in a rundown house. I want to build a villa with swimming pool. Here you come, construction fleet. This is the task list for building the villa. I can count on you for the villa building. You can count on us. I am the excavator. Let me tear down the old house first. I need to change a hard drill bit. Let's start tearing down the house. Next, we're going to shovel the gravel. I need to change a bucket. Remove the stones to make room for building the... This is the dump truck of our fleet. It can carry the broken stones and waste away.
I am the concrete mixer. My task is to make concrete. The roof needs to be cast with concrete. Now let's start making concrete. Pour materials into the hopper first. Gravel. Sand. Cement. Water. The concrete is well mixed. Connect the pipes and get ready to pour concrete on the roof.
I am the crane, and I can lift heavy goods. Choose a tile and paste it onto the Next, let's install the door and windows of the villa. I am the excavator, and I will complete the task of building the swimming pool. Let's dig a big pit first. Choose a tile and paste it onto the swimming pool. Turn the handle to fill the swimming pool with water. Next, let's start decorating the swimming pool. The task of building swimming pool is accomplished. Wow! The villa is completed! That's awesome! Here's a construction badge for you as a reward. Keep going. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which of the following construction truck has a long lifting hook? Crane, excavator, bulldozer. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck is needed for digging when building a swimming pool? Dump truck, crane, excavator. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can lift vehicles? Excavator, bulldozer, crane. That's not correct. You are right! You've got it all correct! Great!